This tutorial is for an extremely simple pencil pouch that only requires one piece of fabric. I'll walk you through how to attach the zipper and sew up the sides of the fabric to create a boxy pencil pouch. Start by downloading the free pattern, following the link in the description below, and then follow along with the step-by-step instructions. To start with, place the zipper face down on one side and sew down the length. After sewing, press the fabric away from the zipper. Fold the pouch with right sides together. Line up the other side of the zipper with the other long edge of the pouch. The zipper should still be face down. And then sew the zipper to this side as well. Still inside out, fold the pouch so that the zipper is in the center and the short edges of the pouch line up. So sew these two smaller sides together. Before sewing, it is best to open the zipper part way to make it easier to turn it back to the right side later. After sewing, you want to pinch the fabric together at each of the 4 remaining gaps into a straight line. This will create that box shape. Sew each of these corners. Now you want to turn the pouch to the right side through your halfway open zipper. And that's it, you have finished. You have a simple pencil pouch that you can use for your office supplies.